Welcome to our in-depth review of the Logitech ERGO K860 wireless ergonomic keyboard, designed to enhance typing comfort and improve your overall posture. This innovative keyboard is not just a tool, but a smart investment in your health, especially if you spend long hours typing. At first glance, the ERGO K860 impresses with its advanced ergonomic design. The curved split keyframe promotes a natural typing posture, reducing muscle strain on your wrists and forearms. This thoughtful design means less discomfort during your daily work and a lower risk of repetitive strain injuries. An especially notable feature is the pillowed wrist rest, which includes a memory foam layer that provides 54% more wrist support and reduces wrist bending by 25% compared to traditional keyboards. The perfect stroke keys, scooped to match the shape of your fingertips, ensure accuracy and fluidity, making every keystroke feel deliberate and precise. What truly sets this keyboard apart is its adjustable palm lift feature. With ergonomically designed tilt legs offering 0, -4, and -7 degree angles, you can easily maintain a comfortable posture whether you're seated or standing. This adaptable feature ensures that you always have the perfect alignment for your wrists, no matter how you work. Furthermore, the keyboard is ergonomist approved and certified by United States Ergonomics to improve posture and lower muscle strain, a significant endorsement for anyone serious about comfort and health. The ERGO K860 also offers familiar and convenient features such as quiet keys, a full-size layout, and the caps lock indicator. It effortlessly connects via Bluetooth or a USB receiver, making it simple to integrate into any computer setup, whether on Windows or Mac. Additionally, powered by Logitech Options software, you can customize function keys, set up personalized shortcuts, and get battery life notifications, ensuring your keyboard not only meets your ergonomic needs, but also adapts to your workflow. Of course, like any product, there are pros and cons. The strengths include its excellent build quality, sustainability with recycled materials, and versatile connectivity. However, some users may find the price slightly steeper than standard keyboards and might experience a brief adjustment period to the split keyframe layout. When compared to competitors such as the Microsoft Sculpt ergonomic keyboard, the ERGO K860 stands out with its refined adjustable features and broader connectivity options. For best use, ensure you spend some time adjusting the tilt legs to match your workstation and customize the function keys through the Logitech Options software. Overall, the Logitech ERGO K860 is an excellent choice for professionals, writers, and anyone looking to alleviate wrist strain while typing. Its combination of ergonomic design, thoughtful features, and robust performance make it a worthwhile upgrade for any workspace.